I think he's coming out. Did he just... In this video, cops are called to a domestic disturbance between a man and a wife, and they learn that there is an armed man in the closet, and then they hear a shotgun rack. You won't believe what happens next. Keep watching to find out. I'm Squink. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. Now I do these videos where I react in real time, go into a new video every single day blindly to give you a glimpse into how the cop brain is thinking and to answer the one question that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to answer that question, whatever else comes up in today's video. Let's get into it. How about getting off of these antibiotics? All right, here we go. Cops open fire after man emerges with a shotgun during a domestic call. All right, never seen it. Here we go. Reacting blindly.
Tell me exactly what happened.
My husband's raging. He's throwing things, and I don't feel safe right now with him here.
Okay, and I want to confirm, has anything been physical tonight?
Probably.
He's just throwing. He's trashing my room.
Okay, but has he thrown anything at you?
He's throwing at the doors and stuff. I'm outside the door. I'm outside right now.
Okay.
I don't feel safe going near him right now.
Okay. And I know you said he's throwing things. What is he throwing?
Like everything. Like everything.
Okay.
The cat. He threw the cat, threw the dog, threw the gerbil, threw the hamster, even. All jokes aside, domestic calls are of the most dangerous calls for police to go to because there's romantic it's romantic relationships involved, and tensions are very, very high.
It looks like.
Okay, my partner's already got some help started, okay? I'll just stay on the line with you until...
Okay, I'm just standing outside, and...
You're standing outside?
Okay, yeah, and he's in a closet. It's like a bathroom with a closet, a big walk-in closet, and there are guns in there, but I don't think he would do anything. They should probably know that.
Okay, do
yeah,
you know
they
what
should
kind of guns they are?
absolutely know that.
They're big. My husband's into them. I'm not. They're big guns.
Are they like handguns or like shotguns?
We got a little of everything.
They're literally bazookas. I've seen him fire a long-range missile from our closet.
We got everything.
Okay.
Yeah, so they're going to go into this with their guns drawn because of what they were just told.
What's his name?
Hey, David? 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 David, can you come out and talk to us?
There's no reason David should come to this door
David?
with a gun at all. There would be no excuse for it.
7-6.
Who was all in the house? You and any kids?
Dementia's in there. My adult son's there.
Sorry, I missed my...
Hey, David, we just want to talk, man. Can you come out so we can see you?
Yeah, get him out of here.
Is this your adult son?
Can you come out?
I want to get everybody out of the house just in case.
I can't my dad
Just hang out with your mom in the garage, please.
David, can you come out and talk to us?
David, your family's concerned about you. We're here to help you. Come on out.
He is not complying coming out of the room. He's just
Barricaded.
He's barricaded at this point. David! Can you come out and talk to us?
What they need to be looking for is shadow right there.
David, I don't want to have to treat this as a barricaded subject. Come on out civilly. We don't want to have to call the SWAT team out.
The reason they're not just going and opening that door is because of what the wife told dispatch. That's why it's so important. If you're calling dispatch and it involves firearms, the first question they ask is, are there firearms involved? Because if she didn't relay that information to them, these guys are just literally probably going to go just open this door, and it could go an entirely different way.
Everybody's concerned about you, bro. Come on out. All right. Yeah, we're going to have to get everybody out. Call a barricade.
Hey, Mike, where's
I'm going to hold on the door.
Hey, how's it going, sir? Is there any way we can get you out of the house? Is there any way that we can get that accomplished? We're just having an issue with David. He's not coming out.
Six, 7, 3. We're going to treat this as a barricaded subject. Can you have the 629 give me a call for a SWAT call out?
I think he's coming out. Did he just...
Gun. 673, shots fired.
Why would he come out with a shotgun? You can hear him rack it. Listen, you can hear him rack it.
We're going to treat this as a barricaded subject. Can you have the 629 give me a call for a SWAT call out?
Right there. All right, let's watch it in slow motion. What an idiot. Why would he do that?
Gun.
And it was pointed in this officer's direction.
673, shots fired.
Subject down, subject down. Shit.
It's all right.
Okay,
I'll cover you.
okay. No, stay there, sir, stay there, stay there.
There was no reason for
673,
him.
roll medical, please. 7-6, shots fired, shots.
There's no reason for David to come out the door carrying a shotgun. That's literally just a recipe for disaster. And I think David kind of knew that. I think he knew what was probably going to happen if he left the room holding a shotgun. I think he was willing to take that risk. The way he was nonchalantly carrying it makes me wonder if this is the outcome that he wanted. Like I said, domestic calls are very heightened emotions. Who knows what was going on beforehand? I think the cops, knowing what they knew going into it, should have instructed David not to exit the room carrying any type of firearm, because a possible deadly outcome, a likely deadly outcome if he did. Just to make it clear to David, hey, if you decide to make this decision to exit with a firearm, there's a high likelihood that you're going to get killed. For that reason, I give him a B-. That is the only thing I think they could have done better, is communicate what would happen if he were to exit the room carrying a firearm. For those reasons, B-. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.